Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the green sea turtle in Heartopia. So you'll need to be level 12 of the fishing hobby, and it's located in the whale sea. When there is a rainbow, and you need to fish during, I think, daytime and dusk, and the shadow for it is big like this. So this was like the last shadow of my mermaid tail, and I finally caught the turtle. And this is what it looks like, the green sea turtle. I finally caught it. It reminds me of, oh my gosh, I forgot his name from Finding Nemo. The one's like, dude, you know that one? I don't remember his name though, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!